our main demand and allegation and grievance it is against the HDPO Sodor. During this lockdown period, we have noticed series of incidents took place. Unnecessary people are beaten, harassed, no action has been taken. And that has been aggravated during the posting of this present HDPO. Series of complaints. I have received 10 complaints in which it is alleged that this HDPO abused the public in filthy languages without any cause. Sometimes some people, even old men, are also coming from their house to drop their darts or something. Even then they are taken to yesterday, series of incidents have taken. Yesterday our president, district Congress president Narayan Datta, he has been harassed unnecessarily. He is abused. Now we have no doubt to say that this police officer HDPO, he is suffering from intolerance, and he could not digest his power. But he should remember that all powers that is subject to limitations. He is not above law. Abusement that is not fall within his jurisdiction, that is not covered by his official duty, and no sanction is required to prosecute him. So we are not, till today we have not lodged any criminal case against him. But we may be compelled to file criminal cases against him unless DG takes some action against him. Otherwise we shall be bound to go for further movement. He is intolerant, and it is coupled with political backing. It is alleged by workers that he has become stooge in the hands of BJP. That's why he is harassing the Congress people. Yesterday, our Narayan Datta, district Congress president, another Mujibur Islam Majumdar, who contested from Sonabura, both of them, like anything, abused and harassed. So it is. I should not say that there was no, that has not been done with political intention.